Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to reorganize my closet. I have a few tips that I like to do when I reorganize my closet. After doing a little bit of a closet clean out, I do have a bunch of videos where I clean out my closet and just get rid of a ton of stuff that I don't use anymore. If you want to watch those, they are on my channel like I said, but I will also leave them in the description box below. Today's video is going to be all about how I just organize my closet. So different strategic ways of organizing the clothes and how I like to hang them and where I will put like t-shirts and jeans and other things like that. So if you want to know how I organize my closet, then just keep watching. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would stick around, click that subscribe button and check out my other videos, and let's go ahead and get started with this. The first section of my closet I'm going to work on is this section here. It houses my most worn shirts. There are a few shirts in here that I don't actually want hanging up. So part of what I've been doing is storing my t-shirts in drawers because they take up a lot of room. It's kind of unnecessary to hang up t-shirts in my opinion, and it will free up a lot more space in my closet. So I'm going to go through and take out the t-shirts or any type of shirt that can be easily folded and stored in drawers, because I have drawers in this closet and I also have a dresser. So I'm going to utilize that space and take out anything that can easily be folded and not like super wrinkled. While you're doing this, it's also a really good time to take out anything that you are unsure about keeping. If you haven't already done like an entire closet clean out, this would be a perfect time to do that. And the next step is to strategically organize the way that I'm hanging my clothes. You can do this in many different ways. You can color coordinate your closet if you're feeling like wearing a specific color one day, but the way that I like to organize my closet is by sleeve length. Sometimes I will also organize by the length of the shirt or the dress, whatever it is that you're organizing. I'm gonna go ahead and start out by doing it by sleeve length. So I'm gonna work from the shortest sleeve, which would be like a spaghetti strap top or tank top, and move all the way down to the end where my longer shirts or the long sleeve shirts are, which most of them are already in that spot, but I'm just gonna go through and redo it because it's all mixed up right now. Also, as I'm doing this, I'm realizing that there are a lot of shorter, like thin strapped tank tops and such, so I'm just gonna put the ones that are a bit shorter on this side so that you can see exactly like the length of the shirt that you're working with. I do this because if you're looking through your closet, it's really easy for a shirt that has a really skinny strap to get wedged between two shirts that have longer sleeves. So it's really easy to kind of forget about what you're working with in your closet, and you can easily see all of the clothes that you have if you really need to get access to them quickly. Next, we'll go into any of the clothes that have slightly thicker straps than the super skinny ones that I was working with in the front here, and then also organize them the same way. So if there are some that are way shorter than others, then I'll put them in the front so that I can get to them easier. Another thing you could do is group bodysuits together as well. It honestly just depends on what you have in your closet and what you want to easily get to. For the rest of the way down, I'm just going to continue with sleeve length and go from short sleeves to quarter length sleeve or something, and then finally the long sleeves. So here's how this section looks after I have reorganized it. Another thing you can do is organize from the actual shortest shirt all the way to the longest shirt. So these types of like longer shirts would definitely be way back on that section. But I like this more because if you do have a lot of these like skinnier strap tops, it is so easy for them to just get lost in all of the other things. So I like to organize my clothes this way so that I can actually see exactly everything that I have in my closet and nothing is getting hidden by longer or bigger sleeves. In this section of my closet, I have skirts, pants that need to be hung up, and dresses. However, I did organize it by length, and I'm not sure if I like that. For this section, there is actually a reason why I put shorter dresses on this side, and that's because there is another clothing rail here, so I wouldn't be able to put longer dresses there. which is why I have them on this side. What I think I'm gonna do is keep the shorter dresses on this side and the longer over here, but I'm gonna reorganize them the same way that I did the other side by sleeve length so that I can see exactly what I have in my closet again. I feel like this works so much better, at least for me personally, because there were some dresses in there that were literally stuck between some like longer sleeved dresses, and I totally like didn't even realize they were in there. So this is definitely gonna work way better for me, so I can see all of the clothes that I have in here, and it's just so much easier to get to. So it still looks a little bit crazy just because of like all of the patterns and everything. Clearly I really like patterned dresses, but I do really like how much easier it is or will be for me to get to everything. Now for the t-shirts that I set aside earlier, I'm gonna start filling up these drawers with the clothes that I can fold and other things like underwear, workout clothes, stuff like that. That's all gonna go in these drawers or my dresser. The reason I organized the items of clothing that can actually be folded this way is so that I can see everything, as opposed to if everything was stacked on top of each other, then I can only see what's on top. So this is like a really popular method of organizing clothes. For things like bras, underwear, socks, I actually like to keep them separate in these little organizer squares or boxes. I got them from IKEA. You can get them in a couple different colors. So in one of the drawers, I have the bigger one that was organizing like sports bras and all that. So that's actually a really easy way to like keep sports bras or socks, underwear organized in their own separate little sections, so that if you take something out, it's not just gonna like fall all over the place. So I do like to use these for those smaller items of clothing. So for this section up here, I'm literally just gonna put my jeans folded in this top part, and that's literally how I like to organize my jeans. It's really not anything special. Some of these I probably really need to get rid of, but that is how I organize my jeans. I think it's very simple. You can see them, and because all of these are shorter shirts, if you have a section like this, definitely utilize it by putting something that you can fold here, whether it's like sweatshirts or jeans, anything like that. I think it's a really nice, easy way to see what your closet has and that you can access. But I think that's it for this video and organizing my closet. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'm just gonna end the video here so it's nice and easy and simple, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!